Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Binance affiliate program. So if you want to promote Binance and most importantly, if you want to get free crypto, this is the best way to do so. Basically, what you will need to do is you will need to first join or register on Binance. After you join or register, you need to scroll down until you see this section right here. Now from here, as you can see under the service, you will have affiliate and referral. Now these are two different things that you can do referrals, you will get free crypto and stuff like that, but usually affiliate is what you are looking for. So go to the affiliate, and as you can see here, basically here you can join the Binance affiliate program. You can become an affiliate, you can monetize your traffic and earn crypto commissions when you share Binance with your audience. Obviously it's very simple. You sign up to become an affiliate, you can create and share your affiliate link, and then you can earn up to 50% what someone that joined via your link will deposit. So if someone deposits $500, you receive $250. So that's what the Binance affiliate program commission benefits are. Obviously you will need to click become an affiliate. You will need to go through the verification and application process. Now this process demands you to enter your email, join or log in with your own Binance account, and then once you join with your Binance account, you will be able to go and give your personal information and for the application, and then you will be able to join the affiliate program. So that's how easy it is to join the Binance affiliate program. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.